Now the wings are complete. 5,000 paper wings, each built with hands that believe peace is not a wish, it is a choice.
Days of dedication, creativity, and teamwork, the students of Cochin Public School present their masterpiece, the giant crane, built with love and covered with over 5,000 paper wings.
We followed Sarato's footsteps and lifted her weight.
And we send it soaring across borders, across oceans, to whisper in every ear, no more war, only peace.
This is more than just an art project. It is a symbol of hope stitched together by the hearts and hands of our children.
Today, Cochin Public School stands with not weapons but with cranes, each one sending a message that no child should ever fear the sky above them.
But our effort doesn't end here. We are preparing an appeal for global peace, nuclear disarmament, and protection of civilians in armed conflict, to be submitted to the Secretary General of the United Nations and to the heads of major nations. This crane carries our voice for Gaza, for Hiroshima, and for every place where children dream of safety. From the classrooms of Cochin Public School to the global stage, we send out call for peace, for life, and for a future free from the shadow of nuclear conflict.